check out this Airstream. We are at the Airstream of Tampa dealership and right on I-4, so you can hear all of the road noise. But this is one that we actually really like. Road noise is so loud. All right, so this is a 2019 Flying Cloud 25 and current sale price $83,739. So this is very nice inside. This seating area with the table, we love this because of all of the windows. So many windows in this model, even larger windows over here. These seats are super soft, easy to lay on. I could see that this is one of those dinettes that you actually can turn into a bed and have people there and it be comfortable, because not all of them are. So turning around, we've got the TV up here, additional windows. Really loving the look and the design of this one. Sorry if you can't hear me over that noise, but we're literally right on I-4. It's right there. As far as kitchen, you have sink right here, very large inside. A couple more windows above the kitchen. These cabinets are very large. They're hard to open, but what we feel is that they're not closing really solidly, so that they could bounce open if you're on really rough roads. That's just a personal thought of that they don't really lock open like that. You have the stovetop up here, and then instead of the oven, they've put the convection oven and microwave down there, which is brilliant. Let me show you some of the storage. Built-in cutlery. These are pretty nice drawers. There are 4 of them right there. Then we have a big drawer down here. Well, not a drawer. This opens up. There's some pretty impressive storage underneath the sink. So that is storage and trash can underneath the sink. Then coming over to the side of the kitchen, we have another pantry pullout. Another option of storage, and this one is a door. That would be great for baking pans or something, although you don't have an oven, so I don't know. You're not gonna need that. Let's turn around. Kitchen has a large refrigerator. Let's see, this is again something that pulls down. And the Dometic freezer. Let's see, and the Dometic refrigerator. Again, I'm sorry if you can't hear me. This traffic noise, you don't realize how loud it is until you try to do a video. Again, that is a cabinet above the refrigerator. So coming from the living room area, which the living room does have this removable screen. I'm apparently not tall enough to actually get it to work right now. That is up there. You have some storage above, so deep storage above the dining room table. And then there's a little bit of storage underneath. Have a cubby hole for shoes, and then this folds down. And it's perfect for storing plastic bins. All right, moving back, we'll look at this closet first. And lots of room up there, plenty of room to hang clothes. Really deep. This is the split bathroom. You have the full shower inside. Has a seat in it. That's fabulous. And then you come over here into the separate toilet. Has mirrors up there. See how much storage is up there. And that stainless steel backsplash. And lots of storage. You have storage under here. You have 4 things of sliding storage. So you have 2 doors up here, and then you have even more down there. And plastic toilet. And then you have some pocket sliding in here. And this is the bedroom. Again, loving how many windows there are. Look at all of these windows. Wow. It would be super hot if you didn't have any AC and you were in the sun. But if you have a great view, this would be brilliant. You can actually walk around the bed. There's even a little bit of area to walk over here. It's gonna be very tight. And then there's a little bedside table. We'll look at some of this storage up here. See, there's a little one. No, that doesn't open. So another one there. There are some lights. There's a shade attached to that. TV is over here. Emergency egress window that can also be opened. And then additional storage as well. So this is a closet. And additional really deep drawers that pull out. So how many are there? There's 2 of those, and then there's another little area where you might fit a pair of shoes on its side or something. So this has been the Airstream Flying Cloud 2019. I think it was 25 FB. And if you haven't already, we'd love if you subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button. Take care, everybody.